Hi, I'm Alex Howells, Chief Executive of Health, Education and Improvement Wales, and it's with pleasure that I'm here today talking to you about Pride. We are a new and growing team in HCIW, and as an organisation focused on the health workforce, it's really important for us to value individual uniqueness and diversity to make sure that the services that we provide respond to the needs of the whole community. We're really committed to supporting our LGBT+ staff and the wider community, and want to do that through our policies, our actions and our behaviours. And our involvement with Pride is a way of us demonstrating that in practice. We believe that creating a fair and inclusive Wales is the right thing to do, and we are committed to working together to deliver that through our objectives to create a fairer, more equitable and inclusive environment for all. And we have joined together with the broader NHS family to put together this week-long programme of virtual Pride activities in response to the fact that because of COVID-19 there can be no Pride parade this year. But we hope that you will join us in celebrating and remembering that we can overcome and thrive and making Pride 2020 unforgettable. Pride Happus.